Welcome back to Flava Station, where the legends come to play. Now, I get a lot of messages and comments on my YouTube saying, where am I from? I can hear Jamaican, I can hear UK, are you American, are you Swedish? That was a mad one. Sweden, who knows? But I'm half Jamaican, half British. So today, we're gonna make the half English breakfast.
Looks good, don't it?
Egg, beans, all them ting there.
Flava Station. Flava Station.
Preheat your oven, 180 degrees C. I don't know what Fahrenheit. You're gonna need 2 eggs, 2 tomato, 4 or 5 mushrooms, hash browns, recipe below if you wanna make them. Black farmer jerk sausages, baked beans, hard-dough bread. This is a firm, dense bread. My nan calls it poor people bread. Plantain, not banana, avocado or pear, onion, baking tray. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're a legend, hit the ding dong. Now, sick. We're gonna make some incisions about a third of the way in. Do it in a star shape. You want 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8 little segments. Gonna open up. Looks good presentation wise. It's nice. Olive oil on there if you want, but me no bother. Can't bother with it. Put them in your bag. If you don't use bags, just bang them on your tray. No messing. Jerk sausages now by the Black Farmer. These are dank. If you watch the sausage and mash episode, which you can see on the channel, it was a jerk chicken and sweet potato mash, and it was a ting, blood. Trust me. Now I always just cut off the extra plastic, so I don't want it burning. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put the sausages in first. 180. Bang them in, blood. No messing. Now, put them to the side. We're going to do the yardie beans. Yardie beans, little seasoning, little onion, garlic if you want with baked beans. It's a thing. If you've never tried it, it's a madness, blood. Just slice an onion. Follow on Insta, bottom left. You don't know, man's leveling up, blood. Animations. Cheap beans in there. All-purpose seasoning going in now. About a teaspoon. Just gives it a little ting. Now, if you want to know how to do this, link below. It's easy, but you can learn in thorough, slower, in the link below. Sick. Wait down, you dirty pig. Now, plantain, not plantain, not plantain, plantain. Just peel off your skin. If you're left with any dirty bits, stubborn bits, just scrape them off. You can use a veg peeler. I like to get them nice and clean. Now we're just gonna slice diagonally, like Harry Potter, blood. Diagonally slice them. See it there? It's easy, blood. It's a half English breakfast, innit? Fruit on a breakfast, he says. Yes. Now your sausages are halfway cooked. Bam. You get your hash browns and your tomatoes on the tray. Look, we're multitasking. Yes. Love it. Yardie beans, get them on low heat. You don't want to overcook beans because they go to mushy peas. You don't want that. Now then, 2 pans. One for your eggs and your plantain, one to do your mushrooms. Splash of oil in the mushroom pan. Yeah. Plenty of oil, just to, you know, frying oil. Deep, shallow fry, innit? Hot oil, bang your mushrooms in there. Yeah, we're gonna come with some garlic salt. Yes, extra dimension. If you ain't got garlic salt, put salt and garlic in there. It's sick. Now what the salt will do, draw out the moisture. See it there? Once they get like that, put it on a back burner. Low heat, no messing. Drag your pan across. Make sure it's hot. Beans are looking steamy. Plantain. Hot oil, see it there? Sizzle, sizzle, baby. Plantain, plantain. It's not plantain, we farting. Why fruit on a breakfast, I hear you ask? Well, just try it and you'll see why. I like my plantain boiled though, to be fair. The fry is something to chewy and stick up for me. Yeah, man, just flip them. See how them I got gold there. Oh, nice and cold around the edges. It's good stuff, man. Foolproof, don't dirty your oil, nothing. You can use this oil for 17 different meals because it's good. Yeah, man, just put them onto a plate along with your avocado, ready for plating up. 2 eggs, semi-warm oil, see it there? Slowly does it. Slowly cooking the eggs. Yeah, boy, splasher. You don't want no runny eggs, yeah. Well, you do want runny eggs. What I mean is you don't want a snotty top. They look good in photos and in your ramen, but I don't like it, man. You get that edge, it's just a bit much. And I love my eggs, you know, but I can't have them. I gotta have them proper. I'm funny when it ain't in my yard as well. It's gotta be, it's gotta be 30. Yeah, man, just splash up till it changes to a pale, yellowy orange or white. See that top snot cooked off? Boom, eggs cooked. See all the components there, Ardo bread toasted. I ain't got to tell you how to toast. There's a full tin of beans there, we're going in. Hangover cure, innit? Yeah, boy, 2 fried eggs. And there you have it. Some good, baby. Sausage ready, everything. Lock off, like and subscribe, love you lot. Don't forget, man, watch a playlist, watch a video, subscribe to the channel. Love you, bye.